morning. This morning is a nice Sunday morning. We enjoying our off to church, and then we have lots of planning to do for this special secret project. I just like fell out of the car. Church was good as always. Yeah, I don't really know what the plan is. All I know is I'm going to change right now, and we might be going over to the studio. I don't know. We're changed and on our way over to the studio to plan our trip because we might be driving now and so much going on. So this is very delicious. We have all these chocolates. These are covered in chocolate, and our chocolate from s'mores, and also our brats that we left in the car for like 2 days. So can't wait to eat those in a little bit. Let's crack a cold one. Whew. Yes. This is one of my favorite flavors. Pitch Black as like Voltage and Black Label. Oh. I'm bored, so I'm gonna work on my skating skills, which is 0, so I'm not gonna improve much, but it's fine. Much today because we've just been at the studio. We went to church this morning, and church wasn't until 1, so like I slept in a lot. So tonight we're going into the mountains, doing a little bonfire I think, so that'll be fun. But I haven't done any montages today, so I obviously can't skateboard, but I'm just gonna throw together this montage of me skateboarding for you, so here you go. Ready, we're going up with Jordan's friend Sam and his sister and me, and we're all going up to have a bonfire. Got some water, stay hydrated. The drive up here was so bumpy that I got itchy. Like, how does that even work? But we're here. It is extremely windy, but we're gonna try to start a fire here. Jordan's building us our foundation when it doesn't light. On our way, part 2. Come on. Lit. It's so windy. There we go. After Sam literally poured the entire lighter fluid bottle on it. Nice. How are these still staying up? I mean, it's probably fine.
Yeah, or should I like beat it down?
Nice. That is a very neat looking fire. There we go. Nice. It's really hot. I'm cold and hot at the same time. So we're just sitting here as our fire, it was a lot bigger than this, probably looked a little dangerous, but this guy drove by and he like stopped and he goes, "That's not smart," and we thought he was saying something about s'mores, and we were like, what? And we couldn't even hear him, and he kept yelling at us, and then he zoomed in on Jordan's license plate and he was like, "I got your plate," and we were like, "Cool dude," and then he just left and we were like, sick. But it's chill now, and we made excuse me, I am trying to vlog.
Sorry, I'm watching.
Okay. We made a barrier and the fire's less lit, so, and sun is setting. And Jordan, you look really majestic right now.
Can you see the flames in my eyes?
I can't.
No. When there's fire in his eyes. Look how cute the sunset is. It's so zoomed in. With the lake and the young mountains out there and the large mountain right there. So pretty. We're gonna make s'mores now, but we didn't bring sticks, so now we have to find sticks, but there's no trees, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, it smells like fire over here. Here, we could just break this stick off of here. Maybe.
Okay.
Found a quality stick. Nothing's perfect. This is goals.
Not lit.
Not lit, just burnt. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that one's pretty good. Golden brown right there. On our way down with this really crappy bumpy road through the dark. Awesome, can't wait, and it's cold. Can we turn the air up? I'm back at Jordan's house now. We went to like the studio, and then I rode back with Sam's sister, and then I took a shower, and I feel amazing because like I was covered in dust, like my shoes aren't even black anymore. So yeah, that's about it for today's vlog. Anyway, I get back to Missouri. Me and Jordan are actually gonna drive now instead of me flying, so we're leaving on Tuesday, so I will be back Tuesday night, so like Wednesday is when I'll like hang out with the page again. So I know you guys are excited for that. I'm really excited too. I've been gone for like a month, so lit. Can't wait for that. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. My social media's down below. Comment, like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you tomorrow.